Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? Everything good? I keep coming across all of those TikTok videos where people do their makeup in the most complicated and time-consuming way possible. And I was like, I never tried wasting my time this way. I love wasting my time. I do it every day. My brain completely loses it when they start blending everything out. I have makeup, I have a brush, so let's get to work. Work, 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 work. Work, 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 work. That's the chicken version of the song. Work, 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 work. Oh my god, this hiccup was very aggressive. Oh my god, this is the worst time to get a hiccup. I need to be very careful. This can't be random. I can't be just getting so aggressive hiccups. The only time I have to draw straight lines all over my face. That can't, like, universe, stop it! Someone is trying to sabotage me. What does it mean if I get hiccup? Eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited. Yeah, all of the above. That's not straight. Many hiccups later. First, I'm gonna start off with the squared. Look, my hands are like, this is way too much pressure on us. We're way too shaky for the job. I'm gonna try to cheat. Oh my god, it worked. It's not dumb if it works. You don't have to work smart, you have to work hard. That's what my grandma used to tell me.
I never said that.
It works just fine. No, it works better than just fine. It works excellent. Thanks, ruler. Wait, hold on. I just turned my genius mode on. I feel unstoppable. Check this out. Watch and learn, kids. Watch and learn. It would have worked, but I'm dumb. I'm gonna try again, because that was brilliant. Boom! Boom! Boom, baby! Prisoner, prisoner! Oh my god! It worked! I can't believe it worked! It's not perfect, but that doesn't mean that we can't make it perfect. I've had this ruler for a real long time. I think that this is actually a ruler I used when I was going to school. Back then. I said that as if that was like 55 years ago. Back in my days, rulers ruled the world. Rulers ruled the world. Go on, it sounds funny. It sounded like I was choking on something. Rulers ruled the world. Try saying that fast 10 times in a row. I challenge you. Who runs the world? Rulers, rulers. Now I'm gonna start crossing the line. Ow. Ow. Ow, that ruler is sharp. It's perfect. I could never do this with my shaky hands. This is so oddly satisfying. I love it. We're moving on to the most time-consuming part, filling in the squares. I'm done with 2. I have 500 more. Years later. Oh, great. My forehead looks like bathroom tiles. 70s bathroom tiles, to be a little more specific. It looks like my grandpa's old bathroom. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm creating a very pixelated version of my makeup. I have contour on my forehead, and I'm going in with a lighter shade where I would usually highlight my face. Minecraft. That's the look I'm going for. Forehead is done. Now let's go ahead and snatch those cheeks. Be right back. Yeah. Toot toot.
Hello?
Yes? Am I speaking to Banana? I guess my banana is broken. Let me fix it. 1 banana later. I didn't like that banana. It was very green. Okay, now that I snacked my stomach, let's snatch the cheeks. Oh no! Why am I applying this there? That square was supposed to be blush. That's okay, mistakes are done, but Q-tips are always here to save us. I went over the line. Shh, don't tell anyone. okay. Don't worry about me. Worry about my lower back. I'll soon need another snack. This is taking way too long. This side of my face, done. I'm kind of starting to regret my outfit choices for today's video. This makeup look with this top, disaster. What will happen if I don't do the other side of my face? Try to pretend it's already done. Let's use the magic of editing. Editing Danny. Hey. Look at me. I'm talking to you. Flip this side of my face. Here. Hey, it's working. I guess I'll need to put the work. I'm gonna work. I'm done and I'm never doing this again. My face is on fire. It feels like I have a blanket on my face with so much product on my skin. 2.5 hours to get this on my face. Let's take a moment of silence for my pores. When I'm talking, you can see every single muscle in my face moving. This really exaggerates the movements of my face. Okay, that's enough face workout for today. Oh my god. Why this doesn't look real? Why it looks fake? Oh my god, I love this. Let's blend the blush. This is the most oddly satisfying thing I've ever done. It kind of looks good from far away. It's quite easy to blend out. I thought I would have to do a lot more rubbing, but I'm just patting the products into my skin and they're wow. Let me take a smaller brush for the nose. Look, it's blending out super effortlessly. I kind of did a little eyeshadow look on my eyes. I don't know how that will turn out, but we're here to try it out. Oh, okay. Check this out. Before, after. Well, goodbye, 3 hours of work. Goodbye, bye-bye. I mean, when you're blending it out, it's just so nice. But is it worth it? Now that I think about it, this is not just a simple makeup look. This is a next level makeup look because you're not just applying it on your face and then just being like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Now I have to wipe it off. No. With this one, you make all of those squares and then you have to fill them in. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. But then you have to blend it and that's even cooler. So, it's pretty cool. That's what I'm trying to say. There are so much products on my face right now. If someone rubs their face against mine, they can get a full face of makeup, no problem. Let's test this theory with my hand. Let's see how much makeup I can get on it just by rubbing it on my face. Oh my god, I can feel the makeup. Oh, this is wrong. This is very, very wrong. Oh god, let me show you my hand through my phone. Check this out. And I still have a lot of makeup on my face. Full coverage. Everything is flawless. I can slap myself with coverage now. You know what? I want to try one more. Wow, look at that. It's raining contour.
Huh?
Contour beard.
I'm confused.
I'm actually trying to recreate this one next. It also has an eyeshadow look, a blue one. Blue is one of those colors that always takes me a little longer to blend out, especially when it's this vibrant. So that's going to be interesting. Okay, now we're going in with the foundation drops. It's raining foundation. Oh, this is so much quicker than the previous one. Oh my god. Yay! My hand is tired. I'm gonna give myself a little foundation mustache. There we go. My mustache is actually drowning in foundation right now. I'm sorry, mustache, for the inconvenience. Okay, some very light concealer under the eyes. Next up, blush. Today's forecast predicts heavy to extremely heavy forecast. Oh, I messed it up. Oh my god, what is this? Can we just Pretend no one saw that. Cut. Today's forecast predicts heavy to extremely heavy makeup showers around the area of Danny's face. So put on your primer and don't forget to take some setting spray in your bag. You know, just in case. Alright, I think that we're done with the face makeup now. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. Eyes, baby. Nose contour, cause you know, of course. Do you think my makeup looks patchy? I want to try something out. A little experiment. You know I like those. Trust me, it's all in the name of science. I almost said silence. Something is wrong with me today, okay? My brain looks like it's taking a day off. I want to try to see if I can blend all of this without using a brush or sponge, without rubbing, without nothing. Let's see if that's possible. You ready for the big magic trick? Okay, if you insist. Boom. It worked, guys, it worked. Look how flawless everything looks. Camera, why? Focus back there. Everything looks flawless, super blended, and the closer I get to the camera, the more out of focus I am, and the more everything looks super smooth. So as we did with the previous look, I'm gonna start off by blending the light colors first. And then I'm gonna slowly make my way all the way up to the contouring shade, the darker ones. Oops, I dropped my brush. We're used to my hands being cheese. This is what happens when you eat too much cheesecake. Oh my god, this works! It works and it looks good. I forgot to wet my face with setting spray. Okay, now we're blending. I'm gonna start with the blush. I'm gonna blend it out like a boss. Very good, very excellent. It's so nice seeing those products just melt into my skin. Okay, maybe I used a little too light concealer under my eyes. I have to be very careful not to get any blue on my brush, because then my whole face will be blue. Wow, this really defines my cheek over here. Look at that. I'm loving it. Let me get rid of my foundation mustache. That brush was trying to get in my nose. Well, I'm blending as if this is my first time holding a brush. Hey guys, look, I can blend out the lipstick without using any brush or a sponge or my camera. Check it out. Perfect. I never understood nose contour, okay? It always looks like I have dirt on my nose and I just can't help it. I can't do anything about it. I don't know how to make it work. Okay, it's time to face my biggest fear. The eyeshadows. Whoopsie. I fixed it. Oh, okay, they're blending. They are blending. They're so creamy. I'm pleasantly surprised. Hello, blue eyeshadow. When you're in doubt, blend it out with your fingers. They always do it best. Oh my god, I got foundation on my shirt. I almost predicted this. The stain is very similar to the colors of the shirt. So maybe it's dirty, but maybe it's just a pattern. Alright, so we got from this to this. Oh, it's not bad. It can always be better though. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, this got a little too intense, a little too quickly. I can't believe this is how we started and this is how we ended. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next? I tried baking a cake in foreign languages. Or maybe you can check out this one next. This is how I do my favorite eyeliner look. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!